Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to style the strip columns. We'll cover how to select the column, changing the column style, and resizing the columns. As mentioned before, each strip contains one column by default. You can add more. You can right-click and add a column, or in the strip property list, you can adjust the number of columns. If you have several columns, you will be able to select each one on the canvas and give them different styles. For example, you can give each column a different fill color. You can select each column by clicking on the canvas or through the drop-down list at the top of the element style panel. Another thing that you can do is set the exact size for each column in the panel, or you can manually resize them on the canvas by moving their borders.